Morning guys, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a vlog, so I thought I would do a day in my life type of video. Today is Friday. It is June 5th, I think. Yeah, it's a Friday. So it's June 4th. Yeah, I didn't go to work today. I took the day off, so it's currently 8:30 in the morning. I've been awake since like around 7 or maybe like 6:30 because Jay went to work and I like got up to pee and then I just couldn't go to sleep anymore, so I was kind of on my phone for like an hour and a half. I'm up now. I brushed my teeth, I washed my face, so I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. I've gotten like a few girls telling me that they really like my vlogs, so I'm gonna try and vlog more now. And then today I also wanna do a haul video, so yeah, I guess I'll be recording like 2 videos today, a vlog and a haul. So right now I'm gonna take my pre-workout and I'm gonna go to the gym. I'll probably just do like a treadmill walk, but let me show you guys the pre-workout that I take. So this is the pre-workout that I take. It's called Amino Lean, and a coworker told me about this and I actually really like it, but because the first one, this is like my 3rd time buying this. The first time I bought it, I bought the pineapple coconut flavor, and then the second time I kind of got over that flavor, so the second time I saw this one, and this one is pink lemonade, and this one is good, but I didn't realize that it's not vegan. In the ingredients it says it contains milk. I can't have milk. That's the top food that I'm like sensitive to, so I didn't even notice that. So it's not, this one is not vegan, and it also has sucralose in the ingredients, and it has like some other like weird ingredients that I don't know about. Like it has silicone dioxide, and that sounds like I shouldn't be drinking that. And oh, it also has red 40. So this isn't like that good for you. But I recommend the vegan one. The vegan one has like a lot of it has like none of these ingredients. So yeah, you take 2 scoops of that. And then I'm just gonna pour water. I don't like to do too much water. So I think I'm only gonna walk on the treadmill. I'm gonna try to do the 12-3-30. Let me drink this. So I was doing the Peloton for 3 months now, I think, or maybe 2 months. But my feet really started hurting. I'm supposed to be wearing like cycling shoes, and all I've been wearing is like my Adidas, and now my heels hurt so bad, and like it's an actual thing. Like it's called hot foot or something like that. It's like a thing, something about like your toe bones messing up the nerves on your heels. Like it said that your heel could even feel numb at some point, and I started feeling that. My heels were hurting so bad, and I started feeling like a weird sensation. It was affecting me obviously at work. No matter what shoes I wore, like my feet were hurting so much at work. And so Yesterday I decided to not use the Peloton anymore, and I don't want to buy cycling shoes because I'm only using the Peloton because they have it here in our apartments. I'm not gonna be using the Peloton for that much longer anyways. Yeah, I'm just not gonna use the Peloton anymore, even though I really liked it. It just made working out funner because it's like you have this music and you have like basically like a trainer telling you what to do. So it's too painful. I can't do it anymore. So I'm just gonna go back to doing the 12-3-30. While I wait for this to kick in, I'm gonna try and like clean the living room and the kitchen so that it looks clean for when I want to record my haul video later. So this is currently what the house is looking like. This is my kitchen. So I cooked yesterday, so I left some stuff out. I usually clean at night just because I'm scared of bugs coming out, but honestly I was like too lazy. I did not care last night. So this is the before. Okay, so the living room is all clean. This is what it looks like. I vacuumed the couch and I vacuumed the floors and under the rug. I wiped down the tables and I just dusted everything over there. And then I'll just mop when I'm done with everything. But yeah, this is what the living room looks like. Okay, so now I'm gonna do this section. So this is the before. Okay, so this is the after. So I wiped down the table, I vacuumed the little chair cushions, and I wiped down the chairs, and I cleaned the centerpiece, which is just this plant, salt, pepper, and some coasters. And I just dusted the light, and I vacuumed. So that's what it looks like. So now I'm gonna do the kitchen. So this is what it currently looks like. So this is the after. I washed all the dishes. They're just drying now. And then I'll put those away, and I cleaned the sink. I cleaned over here. I cleaned the stove, the microwave, the fridge. I wiped all the counters, and I vacuumed in here. And yeah, all I have to do now is mop, but I'm gonna change now. So I changed and I'm gonna go to the gym. Thought I'd show you guys my outfit. So I'm wearing this sports bra, and I actually just bought these at TJ Maxx. It came with 3. It was a pack of 3. It came with a pink one and a white one, and for all 3 it was $14.99. I usually buy these on Amazon, but they had them at TJ Maxx in like the bra section. So I don't think they are sports bras, but they're pretty like stretchy, and they're just like little tops. Like the back is just like that. And then I'm wearing these leggings from Tina's, and I've had these for a long time now, like maybe 3-4 years now. I went on a binge and bought like so many different colors, but they are pretty pricey. They're like the ones with the scrunch booty right here, like the ones that are on TikTok right now. So you can pretty much find stuff like this on Amazon now, but these are really good quality. Like they're thick and they like suck your stomach in. So I mean, I guess they're worth the money. But I'm gonna go work out now. I'll probably go work out for like 30 minutes. I'm probably just gonna do, or probably like 40 or 50, because I want to do the 12-3-30, and then I want to do some ab workouts. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I come back from the gym. So this is my walk to the gym. It's super sunny out, and it's already been super hot in Vegas. Like, it's already over 100 degrees. Yesterday it was like 109. It was crazy. And right now it already feels super hot, and it's 10 in the morning. But I mean, it looks so pretty. Really hope there's no one in the gym. It's Friday morning, so most people should be at work. I guess we'll see. So I just got home from working out. I am exhausted. I was sweating so much, guys. Now I'm just gonna eat leftovers from yesterday because I'm so hungry. So I did a pasta yesterday, so I'm just gonna eat that. I don't know if you guys can tell that I'm getting so tanned. Like, my face looks so white compared to my body. It's just pasta with sausage and a sauce from Target. I think it's like roasted garlic and tomato. I could drink my protein, but honestly, I don't like the protein that I have. It's so hard to find a vegan protein that is good. They're all super like powdery, and I don't like them. But I'll show you guys the one I have. Maybe if you guys know of one that, like a good one, you guys can let me know. But this is the one that I use. It's the peanut butter delight, and this is like the best one I found, but like it's still not good. So that's why I don't like drinking it, even though I should, but it's fine. I'm just gonna have food. So I'm gonna eat my pasta, and then I'm gonna shower and get ready. So the next time you guys see me, I'll have my makeup done, and I'll let you guys know what I'm doing then. Hi guys, so it's much later in the day. It is 3 p.m. Yeah, it's 3:10, and I just got done recording my haul video. It literally took an hour to record, and my throat is so dry from talking. I was trying on every single item, so it kind of took some time. But I like changed back into my PJs, and Jay just texted me that he's on his way, so he's probably like about to walk in right now. I think for today we are just gonna eat at home. I think I'm gonna make sliders. Like, I bought Hawaiian bread, and I bought turkey burgers, so I think I'm just gonna make turkey burgers, and we're probably gonna watch The Conjuring because it came out today. I'm just gonna wait right now for Jay to come home, and then I'll show you guys when I cook my sliders, so you guys can see how I do them. But I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, so I'm doing dinner right now, and I thought I would show you guys what I'm making. So I told you earlier I was gonna make burger sliders, and that's currently what I'm doing right now. I want to show you guys how I make them. This is currently what they look like. So I have the burger patties down there. I'm using the Hawaiian bread, and I got the 24 pack or 24 roll. And so I have 6 patties, and on the bread I put mayo and ketchup. And then on this side I have my cheese, which is the Daya cheddar cheese, and then on that side I have regular Colby Jack. And then I just did some bacon in the air fryer and I put it on top. And I'm just gonna put this on top right now and put it in the oven for like 10 minutes just so it could like toast on, so the bread can toast. So I'll show you guys how I do that. So I'm just gonna put this on top. And I already have the oven on because I made sweet potato fries. So I just like spraying butter on top. And then I like putting everything but the bagel seasoning on top. And the butter helps the seasoning stick to it. And I have the oven at 400 degrees. And then these are the sweet potato fries that I made. So these are the ones from Costco. This is the bag. So they are just sweet potato fries. There's like nothing on them. It says vegan and gluten free. And it's a really big bag. So you can, it has like a lot of servings in it. So that bag will last you for a while. And yeah, so we're just gonna eat the sliders and we're gonna eat those fries. And then we're gonna watch The Conjuring. So I think that's pretty much all we're gonna do for today. It's already like what time is it? It's already gonna be 7. It's 6:50. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here. So that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Also, my haul video is already gonna be up, so don't forget to go check that video out. And I will see you guys on my next one.